Hi everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest KitKat factories in the world. Step into the fascinating world of KitKat production, where each crispy wafer bar is crafted with precision and care. From sourcing the finest ingredients to the meticulous processing process, discover the secrets behind the beloved treat enjoyed by millions worldwide. Be the first to discover. Subscribe to Captain Discovery today. Picture this. The year is 1935, and nestled amidst the quaint streets of York, England,
One, two, three, four. Give me a break, give me a break. Break me off a piece of that KitKat bar.
a revolution in confectionery is brewing. Rowntree's of York unveils their latest creation, Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. Little did they know they were laying the foundation for an icon. In 1988, Nestle acquired Rowntree and renamed Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp to KitKat, igniting a love affair with chocolate enthusiasts worldwide. How does the KitKat factory create the delicious crispy bars enjoyed in over 70 countries? Our journey begins at the source, where Nestle's commitment to quality shines brightest. From the verdant cocoa farms in West Africa, every ingredient is handpicked with care and consideration. It's not just about taste, it's about sustainability and supporting local communities. Step into the heart of the factory, where colossal mixers churn cocoa, sugar, and milk powder into a silky symphony of flavor. But it doesn't stop there. Conching takes center stage as rollers refine the chocolate to perfection. Meanwhile, in a symphony of precision, wafer sheets are born. Thin layers of batter are delicately baked to golden perfection, their crispiness echoing through the factory halls. Each wafer tells a story of patience and precision, a testament to the craftsmanship behind every KitKat. The large wafers are stacked and precisely cut into smaller pieces. Then workers stack the wafers onto trays, ready for the most anticipated step. As the wafer bars await the warm embrace of chocolate, a stream of molten chocolate flows from above, enveloping them in a smooth chocolate coating. It's a sight to behold, a dance of chocolate and wafers destined to delight taste buds worldwide. KitKat is renowned for its perfect blend of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate coating, especially in its easy-to-share format cut into small bars. Can you imagine? Up to 3 million KitKat bars are produced at this factory and distributed every day. A popular way to enjoy KitKat is by lifting each bar, then cutting it into small pieces to savor bit by bit. Alternatively, some prefer to enjoy it whole, experiencing the delightful combination of crispy wafer and smooth chocolate coating. How do you typically eat KitKat? The individual KitKat bars line up, moving in succession to the packaging area. At this point, nimble robotic arms place the chocolate-coated bars onto the conveyor belt. An interesting fact is that these delicious KitKat bars are packed in recyclable packaging. With a blink of an eye, precise cutting machines separate the packaging. Before being boxed, the KitKat packs must pass through automatic inspection machines and undergo expert checks. A standard KitKat bar is characterized by crisp wafer, smooth and uniform chocolate coating, along with precise cutting and packaging to ensure consistent shape and size. The KitKat packs continue through a funnel to be distributed into boxes. The automated system lifts the packs into the boxes and seals them methodically. Finally, the KitKat boxes are transported to distribution centers, ready to reach millions of consumers. In addition, Nestle has built a solar energy plant with over 28,000 solar panels, generating 10 gigawatts of electricity annually, reducing 6 million kilograms of CO2 emissions into the environment. Nestle is also committed to reducing waste by using their environmentally friendly packaging, ensuring each KitKat bar brings joy sustainably. Thanks for exploring the KitKat production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.